Okay, when you look at the main page for your fundraiser for the Garnet Night Challenge, you'll see in here you have your general information here, and that up at the top you have edit page, send project updates, donor ask templates, and donor thank you templates. Don't forget to use these. When you go to send project updates, it'll ask you for your update in here, and you can type in anything you want. It could just be a simple information in here, and then you'll send the update, and it'll go to everybody that has already donated. Over here, under donor ask templates, if you're looking to continue to raise money to meet your goal, whether it's $1,000, $2,500, or whatever, this is just a template for you to utilize. So there's this general email that you can use. This was pre-programmed for you, so you can kind of edit this, but just copy, right-click and paste into any kind of an email you want. And this could be something you post on your Facebook page, Instagram, sending it to emails to your family members or friends. There's the subject line. Again, this all can be changed. Also note that these pieces here, Habitat, Feeding America, depending on which your 50% is going for, and also your donation, will link directly to your page. So when you right-click that, you can actually see there is a separate link address for that. So when you copy and paste that, remember that. And even down below, there's some things for the social media posts. What's important here is the @ symbols, so the tags for Habitat, Feeding America, Alpha Chi Rho, and then these hashtags below are important. And then finally is the thank you templates. I think that when you have, several of you have had some donations come in already, and I show on my side here on the foundation side whether they've been acknowledged or not. So I send a generic acknowledgement, and the donors do get an IRS tax receipt automatically when they donate to the foundation through your page. However, it's really important to personalize it and thank them yourself. So again, another template in here just for you to use. Again, manipulate the data so it sounds more like you in your words. Even the social media post, if someone does something through Facebook or you just want to thank them publicly, you can utilize the social media post down here and again change it as you need. So just don't want you to forget that these are up here. Edit page, also if you want to change your picture here, as you can see for mine, I'm also doing it in memory of my dad, so I can change the picture up here, but also change the background page too if you want. And that's something you can do periodically if you're looking to raise your money over the next couple of months, especially during the holiday season, which is a really great time to ask people to give instead of giving you gifts, to give you a donation on behalf of this. It's a win-win situation. You can change this picture, weekly, monthly, what have you. It sends me an email update, and then I'll approve it for you and go from there. Okay.